The collapse of the Etna volcano could trigger a tsunami in the Ionian Sea. The largest active volcano in Europe. Mount Etna is sliding east into the sea, and scientists fear it could cause a catastrophic tsunami. Scientists fear that the slow motion that has been measured on the southeastern slope of Etna could increase and cause it to partially collapse into the water. Such an event would endanger Sicily in the Ionian Sea as debris would enter the water, possibly causing devastating waves. Researchers have announced that all they can do for now is keep an eye on active volcanoes, as there's no way of knowing whether this acceleration of Etna's movement will occur within years or centuries. In February 2022, Mount Etna spewed a column of volcanic ash 12 kilometers high into the sky over the Italian island of Sicily. You can probably imagine a slow avalanche now, 4 centimeters in 15 months, so the movement is very slow, but there is a danger that it will accelerate and form very fast-moving landslides towards the sea, said Dr. Morelia Yerlaub.